Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to look at a very important vocabulary word, and that word is factor. So a factor is a number that divides evenly, so I'm going to underline evenly, into a larger number. And another way of saying that is there is no remainder left. So there's no remainder after we divide. We're going to use factors a lot when we simplify fractions, so understanding this concept is very important. So I want to look at two examples today. And the first example says, is 4 a factor of 52? So in order to determine if a number is a factor of another number, we have to perform division. So I'm going to do long division. So 4 divided by 52. So in performing long division, and remember, we're trying to decide, is there a remainder? Does 4 go evenly into 52? So when I'm doing long division, 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. I bring down the 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 minus 12 gives me a remainder of 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 52. So the answer to this question would be yes. Another way of thinking about this is if I had the fraction 52 over 4, we would say that 52 over 4 is an even 13. 52 divided by 4 is 13. So 4 and 13 would be factors of 52. So example 2, it says, is 7 a factor of 162? So let's check that out. So is 7 a factor of 162? So I'm going to perform 7 divided by 162. 7 does not go into 1, but 7 goes into 16 twice. 2 times 7 is 14. 16 minus 14 is 2, and I bring down the other 2. Then I ask myself, does 7 go into 22? It does 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract 22 minus 21 gives me a remainder of 1. So 7 is not a factor of 162. And if we remember from our previous video, if I had the fraction 162 over 7, so this would end up, this is an improper fraction, and when I rewrite it as a mixed number, it goes in evenly 23 times, and there's one part remaining out of the 7 that we were dividing by. So 23 and 1/7 would be the mixed number form for 162 over 7. One more way of thinking about this, so you can also just perform division in like a calculator or something. So if you're using a calculator and do 162 divided by 7, when you type that into a calculator, 162 divided by 7, you're going to get the decimal 23.14, and then it kind of keeps going. But that decimal tells me that it does not go evenly, that there is a remainder. So if you're using a calculator to speed this process up, if you have a decimal, that means that it does not go in evenly. Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another video, and I hope this was helpful. I'm going to put a link to the next video at the top of this screen, and any related videos I'm going to leave along the bottom. Please feel free to leave any questions or any comments or any suggestions in the comments below, and we'll see you for our next video. Thanks.